What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today, as you can see, I got my iPhone 12 Pro Max on deck. Today I got a nice video for y'all. Today we got a case video. Yeah, that's right, legendary case from UAG, the Urban Armor Gear Pathfinder. I've been rocking with this case for a long time, guys, probably almost a decade, putting this case on phones. Sometimes sponsored by UAG, sometimes not sponsored by UAG, spending my own money. Today we are sponsored by UAG, so shout out to UAG for sponsoring this video and sending this dope case out, guys. This is one of my favorite case companies, so I'm a little biased in this video, whatever, but yeah, I mean, you can see why. Very dope. They're not the cheapest cases out, guys, but you pay for what you get, and I've had these cases for years and they remain to look the same. So yeah, let's just go ahead and check it out, man. You got the Urban Armor Gear. This is the Pathfinder. As you can see, approved, drop tested to a military standard. We got rugged protection. Definitely a rugged case, guys. It's a unique and a rugged case to me. This is the Pathfinder series for that new iPhone 12 Pro Max. They call it the iPhone 6.7 2020, guys. As you can see, just even the packaging is very nice, guys. As you can see, we got rugged, lightweight, drop tested protection, built to go further. We got a soft impact resistant core, feather-like composite construction, and an armor shell. Now, guys, this case is multiple layers and it's multiple materials, but it's only one case. You can't take it apart. It's not dual layer protection. Technically it is, though, because it's multiple materials, but you cannot separate them. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and get it out this packaging like so, and get rid of this packaging, guys. And as you can see, I picked the white Pathfinder, guys, because I thought it would go so dope with my, I call it a white iPhone, but it's really a silver iPhone because the edges are silver but the back is white, and that's what will match. But let's take a look at the case first, guys. As you can see, we raised up around the camera. We got a nice button press for that power button. We actually got some grips on the side of the case, guys. Grips are a big part of drop protection, guys, because if you can get a better grip on your phone, you're less likely to drop it. And we got the same thing going on the other side. We got the volume rocker with the plus and minus symbols. I like that. Very nice touch. Got a nice big cutout for our mute button, and we got nice big cutouts on the bottom for our speaker and our lightning cable. Now, you take a look at the back of this case, guys. It's very cool. Like I said, got the UAG branding. It's just very unique, guys. This reminds me of something like NASA made this case. But as you can see, we got our makeshift torques, things of that nature. And it looks like they've actually put a spot where you could actually use the lanyard with this case now. But yeah, I just love this panda look, guys. Very dope look. Inside of the case, there's a lot going on. As you can see, we got the honeycomb in there. This is all drop protection, air cushion type stuff, guys. You see, we structured around the edges, all drop absorption. A very rugged case here, guys. You pay for what you get. It's a very cool, unique looking case, and it is very rugged and protective at the same time. So let's not waste our time. Let's go ahead and put this on the phone, and you're just gonna drop it in like so, guys. Not hard at all. And boom, we nice and covered up. And look at the back. Now, I just knew that was gonna look dope, and this is looking very dope, guys. As you can see it, I can see it. Very dope look. We got the Pathfinder on here, raised up around my cameras. As you can see, that white poking out, matching the white on the back. Not the exact white, but you get the point, guys. Panda look in full effect. I'm really liking this, guys. Really liking the look. As you can see, we got some feet on this case, guys. Got raised up feet on every corner, because when you sit your case on a surface that may be a little rugged, you don't want to sit it down and scratch up this pretty white area on the back of the case. So that's why you got these little feet in the corners that hold the case up, so you don't scratch up. All of my cases that I have from UAG, where it's either plasma is clear or it's got a certain color on there, still look very nice, guys, because it's the edges is raised up so you don't scratch everything up. This is a very dope case, guys. As you can see, we got the nice cutouts, still nice big cutouts. Got not the biggest raised lip around the screen, but we got a little something. It's raised up around the screen, a little something, guys. Let me see if I get a focus. Yeah, we raised up. So yeah, guys, this is the Urban Armor Gear Pathfinder. Shout out to UAG for sending this out. Really love this case. Dope look, guys. As you can see, we got the NASA look, we got the space look going on, and this is one of your man BG Tech Life, probably like top 3 or top 5 cases, and doing case videos since forever, guys. It's your man BG Tech Life. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, BG_Tech Life. It's your man BG. I'm out. Peace.